I'm Sam, and this is Cooking Cuban. ¿Ya tienes todo picadito?
Mira, sí, esto para hacer es una ensalada. Es una ensalada que se compran los tomaticos, los peritas, y cómo se abre esto, espérate. Ya lo tengo abierto porque lo tengo cortadito, mira, se cortan en medio. Se cortan en medio.
Como la televisión es esa.
Se le echa perejil.
Estaba aburrida esperándome.
No, porque parece nada, pero se adelanta.
So Abuela doesn't always cook Cuban food. A lot of times she invents things off the cuff, and here she's showing us her tuna salad, which she fell in love with, she said earlier in the week, and decided to make it for the rest of us. Now, she must have gotten a little bored while she was waiting for me to get to her house because she had already chopped up most of the stuff and has it all prepped here, ready to go, or at least most of it. But let's have her take us through the steps of her fit fresh tuna salad.
Queda como una ensalada, se le echa aceite español, sal, aceite español y sal, entonces con la tuna ya y es riquísimo. Voy a vaciar los tomates. Perejil. Perejil. La aceituna negra.
Go ahead and grab a big bowl and start putting your chopped ingredients right into it. It's easy. Y ahí cabe también la...
Bueno, si no cojo otro, no sé si me cabía uno. Yo creo que sí. ¿Qué falta?
No
ya
sé.
No falta más nada.
Tú eres la chef, la cosa.
No, no falta más nada. Nada más que falta el atún, que el atún se une con eso.
Abuela always recommends chopping the olives into small pieces and the parsley very finely. That way it's not so chunky in your mouth.
El atún se le puede echar de aceite también o de agua, pero de todas maneras, aunque se le eche de aceite, tiene que echarle aceite español.
We threw those green olives in a bowl with the rest of the stuff and now mix it up because you want to make sure you go mixing, she says. That way it gets really well blended.
¿Viste qué lindo luce los colores? Vamos a echarle aceite español.
We are now adding olive oil, salt, and pepper to taste. This is, at your gusto.
Puntería. Mira qué lindo.
Qué lindo.
Tú dices que no se cabía aquí, ¿cómo lo vas a ver? Yo tengo la medida.
Yo qué sé.
Yo te enseño. Pero tiene tu abuela.
Exactly why I have my abuela and why I am so lucky for it. Now we are finally mixing in the tuna. You can use any tuna.
Lo puedes usar de cartuchito, lo puedes usar de lata. No es específicamente que sea de sobre.
Give it a good mix up once again, and you can see those colors beautifully. It's just such a fresh salad. I don't know where she comes up with this stuff. And now, for the final touch, she is putting half a lemon on there. Gives it a nice little citrusy flavor, but not too overwhelming.
Prueba.
Okay. Yes, ma'am, I'll try it right away, and I'll also try it like a bruschetta on some Cuban bread. It's delicious, but if you don't like olives, it's not for you. If you haven't guessed already. Anyway, some outtakes.
Nada más tiene 80 de calorías.
Abuela never has just one thing cooking in the kitchen. In the middle of the salad, she realized she had her hot stove on.
Para los plátanos, que ya se me está calentando el sartén.
Entonces, esto es para el fufu.
Esto es para el fufu de plátano.
And the recipe for that fufu de plátano you can find right here in the Cooking Cuban section on our channel. Subscribe for more recipes, and if you want to see Abuela make something, tell us what it is. Next time on Cooking Cuban, Abuela teaches us how to make fufu tasajo balls. So don't miss that on April 4th. Thanks so much for tuning in, everybody. We love you. We love you in our kitchen. And remember to subscribe and share this recipe with your friends. See ya.